Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to Spoken English, YSR's English Academy. Now, in this video, I would like to teach you about parts of speech. What is the medium of the parts of speech? That means, with the help, which help we are going to speak a language with the help of the sentences. Sentence is a division of so many words. Through sentence, we can communicate our ideas with others. In a sentence, so many words are there. Every word has its own function. So, in the same way, how different persons in the office has a different works. In the same way, in one sentence, so many words are there. Each word has its own function. In our body also, so many parts are there. Each part has its own function. Then only our total body will survive, because of the different functions of different parts in our body. In the same way, sentence also, like our body, has different parts. How our body's parts are doing their work perfectly to keep our body in exact condition. In the same way, different parts of the sentence, they do their own functions to keep the sentence in a proper manner to give complete sense. Now, parts of speech. Parts of speech. Speech, we speak through sentences. Sentence, different parts are there. In sentence, what are there? Parts are there. Parts are there. Parts of a sentence is nothing but parts of speech. To speak sentences, we use in the sentence different parts are there. So, according to nature and function of the words in the sentence, words are divided into 8 parts. Those are called parts of speech. According to nature and function of the words in the sentence, words are divided into 8 parts. Those are called parts of speech. For example, while the teacher was teaching a lesson, all the students are listening with the proper attention, carefully. All the students are listening carefully, with the proper attention. Now see here, carefully, with the proper attention. Here, carefully we have to, now see here. While the teacher was teaching a lesson, all the students are listening with the proper attention. All the students were. Past tense, here also past tense. So now come to this point. This is called totally a sentence. Now, While the teacher was teaching, while. This is called conjunction. The teacher was teaching, the teacher. This is called noun. Was teaching, verb, a lesson. This is also noun. All the students, all. Adjective, the students, noun. Were listening, verb. Carefully, adverb. With preposition. Proper, adjective. Proper attention. This is called a noun. See here, while the teacher was teaching a lesson. While is the word which joins together two clauses. The teacher was teaching a lesson. All the students were listening with the proper attention. These two clauses so were joined with one word that is called while. While is a conjunction because it joins two clauses here. The teacher was teaching a lesson and all the students were listening with the proper attention. The teacher means what? A person who is saying information about good things, about a subject is called teacher. A person who is dealing with the subjects of the education of the students. Teacher. Teacher means person, places, things, nouns. Was teaching, already know B form, V1, ing, present continuous tense. Ing form is there, continuous tense. So B form, main verb by ing. This is called verb form. A lesson, this is also called noun. A lesson, a story, a picture, a letter, all these things are also called noun. All the students, the students noun. Which students? All the students. All is a adjective. The students. How many students? All the students. Some students. Few students. A few students. These are called adjectives. Were listening. Were B form V1 listening. Carefully with much interest. Carefully. How they are listening? Carefully they are listening. How they are listening? Carefully. So adverb. Why is there adverb? With the proper attention. With the proper attention. With the preposition. Proper attention. Proper means suitable attention. Attention. ION. So this is also called noun. This noun is qualified by adjective. How much attention? How they are listening? Proper attention they are listening. So with is a preposition. So listening, attention. How they were listening? Listening carefully, with proper attention. They are listening carefully, proper attention if you write. So we can't understand the meaning. Vetta is not there. Were listening, proper attention. They were listening carefully, proper attention. So there is no proper meaning. So with if you keep with the proper attention. So this is the joining word. It relates the two words in a sentence. So this is called a preposition. Proper attention. Which attention? Proper attention. So proper is the adjective, attention now. So here noun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction. Interjection, another word is there. So here in the English language there are 8 parts of speech because they are doing different works. By their different works in a proper manner, we can get the complete meaning of the sentence. So sentence is nothing but a group of words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many words are there. They are doing their role in a proper manner to give complete sense. While is not there, so we can't connect the two clauses. This is one clause, this is one clause. Each clause has its own verb. It is one verb, it is another verb. Two clauses are there, two verbs should be there. Every clause has its verb. So two clauses, if you want to join, compulsory we have to use one conjunction. Conjunction is not there. We can't join the two clauses. So compulsory two clauses are there. conjunction is a must. So while. So beginning you can write. So all the students were listening very carefully while the teacher was teaching a lesson. Like that also you can write here. So first if you write this starting with the conjunction, here a comma we have to keep. Suppose if this one, if you write a second, you need not keep a comma here. All the students who are listening with proper attention while teacher was teaching, while before you need not keep comma. But with conjunction, if you start the sentence, here a comma we have to keep. So, different words, they did different work to give the complete sense. Now, one by one, we are going to discuss.